Check it out. So just got home after another day. It's probably like it's like almost 11. Anyways, got home right after work. Well, I got home, just did some jump rope, a little over a half hour, but basically like a half hour, a little over. Did that today, just now. So right before this, hit up TJ Maxx. I misplaced a $20 bill. That sucked. On the positive side, got myself some cacao powder. Solid. Got myself some green Tizzo. Shit was on special. Check it out. $2. Sauce. And then got myself a little seed trilogy. Oh snap. It's got the chia seed, the hemp seed, and the flax seed. It's that good stuff, bruh. So, you know, that's what I came up on right after work. I hit up TJ Maxx. So I wake up, got my gallon of water. I wake up every morning, pack my bag. It's pretty much how my days go. So, like for example, earlier today, hit this cool gym up called 9 Round. It's pretty sweet because it's 30 minutes. So, you know, nobody likes thinking about how long they're going to be at the gym. Well, not nobody, but I know I don't. I don't like to think too much about getting a good workout. So this place is pretty sweet, dude. They have workouts ready for you. You don't even have to think about it. You just show up. You know it's only a half hour, so you don't have to worry about, you know, having to watch the time too much or worry about your schedule for the day. 30 minutes, you know, it's a pretty sweet gym time to fit in. You know, I don't have to think about an hour or two. It's just a half. And, you know, the more effort you put into it, you get a solid half hour of workout. And like I said, I just came home, did some jump rope scissor. Got these all messed up. Been putting a lot of work in, but I'm gonna get some new ones soon. And then, check it out. Empty out my backpack. Got my NutriBullet cup. That thing is sweet. I recommend everybody get a NutriBullet or something similar. And then, ran to the store today, Smart and Final. Check it out. Big bag of almonds. Of course, I always like to try to get the best quality, but sometimes you just gotta get what's available, and this was what's available, you know, so I ain't complaining. I got some sweet almonds, big bag. And check it out. I got some ripe ass bananas, bruh. As far as I know, the ripe ass bananas got the pestin. That's what you want, bruh. You want that pestin. It's a type of fiber. It's really good for your digestive system. And as far as I'm concerned, or as far as I know, the digestive system is pretty much the kind of like the starting point to your overall health. You know, you got to take care of your digestive system first, and then that kind of leads to the rest of your body getting better. And then I got some green ass bananas, and that's good because it's got a different kind of fiber called resistant starch, and that's really good for your body as well for different reasons. One, it works as far as I know, it works as a prebiotic. So it's food for your for the bacteria, the good bacteria in your gut. So that resistant starch in the green bananas is good for your gut. Like I said, it serves basically as food for the probiotics or the good bacteria in your gut. As far as I know, I'm still learning a lot. And then, like I said, ripe ass bananas. As far as I know, it's got some pestin, which is a different kind of fiber. As bananas ripen, the fiber changes. As far as I know, I'm not an expert or nothing, but I've been learning a little. And of course, I got my garlic. Like I said, I like to go for high quality, but in this case, I had just, these weren't available, so that's what I got. And I'm not complaining. It's freaking sweet. I got some garlic. And I got some herring. I like to try to go with like simple. I don't know if it makes a big difference or not, but so far that's what I like. Look, it's just pretty much herring. Can you see that? It's just herring and water and salt. That's it. That's the only thing in here. Check out the salt. I like to look at the salt. 2%, 2 servings. It's pretty straightforward. So it's mostly just fish and water. And I'm cool with that. I like less ingredients. That's just my preference. Okay. It's that good olive oil. I'm almost done with it in this bottle. I'll probably finish it tonight. It's that good stuff too. I actually got a sweet one, dude. A good way to, as far as I know, a good way to check your oil or olive oil, put it in the fridge. And something like that. It's like you put it in the fridge and it's supposed to like get like hard. And I guess like better olive oil will actually thicken a lot, and then not so good olive oil won't. I'm not sure that's true or not, but I heard something like that. Anyways, some enzymes, the papain and the bromelain or whatever are in there. Also the other good stuff. Yeah, I'm still learning about enzymes, but enzymes are pretty important. For example, the protease, which is at the top here, that helps break down protein. Lipase, I believe, helps break down lipids or fats. Amylase, I'm not sure, but I think it's sugars. Like I said, I'm still learning. Cellulase enzyme. I'm still learning, but I think like cellulose is like comes from plants, so it's like a plant fiber, like makes up like plant cells or something. Something like that. Anyways, they're enzymes. It helps you break down food and build other stuff, and apparently it works with, I don't know if you call them molecules. I'm still trying to learn, but it works with things. It breaks things down and builds other things. And enzymes are very important. Bee pollen have a bunch of enzymes too, really good enzymes. Honey has a lot of good enzymes. Got some arginine. Just showing what I got in my backpack today. I work with what I got. It's a little setup right here. So this is how my spot looks right now. Yeah, it's whatever's over there on the table. Got some protein, some sweet superfood mix, some quinoa. We got a couple bags of quinoa, ashwagandha. That's what's up there. MCTs, olive oil, beetroot powder. And we got some books down here. I definitely write and read a lot. And there we got our teas. Got our massage stuff, workout stuff. Also got some of my like baby's drawings all up in there. There's more up there. Just reminds me why I stay motivated and focused and the like, whatever's. Usually these shelves are pretty full, but to be honest, I've been kind of on a budget, so I got a lot of good stuff up there, dude. I don't feel like getting up, but on another video. It's really good sweet stuff up there. Anyways, I got another one of these cups. Let's see, keep going quicker now. Just trying to get my night going. Anyways, got the MCTs. These were Ceylon cinnamon before. Ceylon cinnamon, if you can see that. That's sweet, huh? That's the good stuff. Look, there's another one, Ceylon cinnamon. I definitely mess with the Ceylon cinnamon, bruh. Just a cell phone charger coming out of my pocket. I mean my backpack. Check this out. Fish oil. The EPA, the DHA. It's got some astaxanthin in there, which is some dopeness. Fucoxanthin. I'm still trying to learn how to say some of this stuff, but it's good stuff, bruh. Bruh. And then let me see what else I pulled up out of here. A little mixed, and I still had some left, but quinoa and I believe it's millet in there, or amaranth, one of those. It's like a seed, and quinoa. And then some folic, which is a synthetic folate. So folate, it's like a folate. It's like a vitamin found in naturally found in plants, folate, and it's good for like the heart. As far as I know, it's good for the heart and like cardiovascular health. Well, folic is a synthetic version of folate. So folate comes from plants. Folic is made basically in a laboratory, I guess. Now I eat plenty of plant, so I eat plenty of natural folate, but I got some folic as well, which is basically the same thing, but not natural, I guess. Some ginkgo B. Also, I read that folic, I don't know, I never studied it, obviously I don't go and study this stuff, but I read on an article online that folic is better absorbed by the body. Anyways, I take both. Natural stuff. And this is N-acetylcysteine. N-acetylcysteine. So N-acetylcysteine, as far as I know, you see it on the bottle right there. It says antioxidant and glutathione precursor. So glutathione is like the freaking beast, most, like one of the most, fair to say the most important, but also just one of the most important antioxidants that your body makes. And N-acetylcysteine helps with that. Also a few other, I don't know what you'd call them. I don't know if it's aminos or whatnot, but anyway, some other molecules, I don't know, whatever you call them, apart from N-acetylcysteine help to make glutathione, and glutathione is the beast, bruh. You want that in your life. Anyways, this is what I got in my backpack as well. Got some blank flashcards. I got a bunch of filled flashcards up there, and those books up there that you see up there, they're filled with flashcards. And I'm making another flashcard book, just a bunch of good information on them, quotes and stuff. So whenever I have time, I carry this book around. When I find some moments, sometimes it's even just 10 minutes. I'll sit down and I'll read this book and other books as well. Let me get this out. This one's called 177 Mental Toughness Secrets of the World Class. I've read it. See, right now I'm right there taking notes. The great ones have a sense of urgency, and then there's things like that. Then you read about it, and then anyways, some pretty sweet stuff in there, bro. It's amazing stuff. I think this is the 4th time I'm reading it, but at least the 3rd. And then let me see what else I pull out of my back pizzo. Check it out. My teas. I don't mess around, bro. Tea is mandatory. Can't have a good day without the tea, bro. I mean, you can, but I mean, it's much better with the tea. Clipboard, pretty straightforward. Okay. A couple of notebooks. This one's like a brand new one, but you know, just some notes right now. So far in this one, I just got lactic acid. I got a bunch more up there and down there filled with other stuff that I study. But that's just what I got. I'm gonna keep going here on this one. But I always carry some notebooks because I fill them up with good stuff, bruh. That's why. Activated charcoal. Bunch of good notes on that stuff. MSM. MSM is the sweet stuff. That's sulfur. Branch chain amino acids. Arginine. You know, just resveratrol. Proline, carnosine, boswellia, all kinds of stuff, glutamine. Anyways, there's the N-acetylcysteine I was just showing you about. I was just showing you that bottle. Okay. So, all kinds of stuff. Quercetin, that's the beast flavonoid, you know, super beast. All kinds of stuff. Some juice fasting information. CoQ10, but you know, just MCT oil, and the list notebook goes on and on and on. All kinds of good stuff in there. There's another tea I just pulled out. Just started drinking that or whatever. What else do I got in my back pizza? Alright, there it comes. A little more. Yeah, some balsamic. It's not the good stuff, but it is tasty, and it's not bad stuff either. It's just some balsamic. It's available. Like I say, I just get what's available. Sometimes good stuff is available, like in this case, some organic raw honey, Yums. That's got the enzymes in it, that honey, that organic raw stuff in here. Used to be bee pollen, now it's nutritional yeast. It's got pretty good flavor, and apparently it's got some good benefits. I don't know right off the top of my head, but I know some. But anyways, turmeric. All this stuff is coming out of my backpack. I always do a fairly similar pack. This is coriander powder, cilantro powder, whatever. And yeah, I pack all this, dude. In the morning I wake up and I go ham sandwich, pack in my bag. Cayenne pepper. And right here, in here I have a mix of all kinds of superfood powders, and I just drink up throughout the day, and protein as well. Okay, right here I have just like a shirt I wore for work, and my workout shorts, some boxers, and then this is where I usually carry my bee pollen, but I ran out. So I was what I'm gonna do is just shake, get all that resin out of there, shake it up with water and drink it. Bee pollen's got good enzymes. Bruh, you want that in your life. There's some liquid I found that says Ion Booster. I wasn't using it for a while, but it's there, and I don't have anything with minerals in it, and this thing has a bunch of minerals in it. And so I add it to my water. It's got magnesium, chloride, and anyways, I have that in my backpack. A bunch of other minerals it has. It's cocoa butter. Another cable for whatever, charging phones. Some deodorant. And I don't always use it, but it's there just in case. And let's see, some highlighters and some pens. And it's pretty much coming to an end. I can't pull out too much more stuff. It's like some charger battery pack. And last but not least, I just got some change in there, pennies, because like I said, I was on a budget, bruh. I took some pennies just in case. And besides the pennies, the backpack is empty, bro. I can shake it backwards, but I don't want all those pennies to drop. It's an empty backpack now. So, believe it or not, I wake up and I pack my bag all crazy. And that's what I do, bro. Ham sandwich. Alright, so, get yourself a backpack, I recommend, and or something. That's just some suggestions. Get yourself a little pack your stuff, get some routine, get some habits. You start slow, you gradually learn as you go. You ain't trying to be just like really good, or not even just like overnight. You don't expect like to get really good at learning new habits, but slowly but surely you do build them and you strengthen them, and you learn to be consistent. Like these shelves used to be packed, and I used to have 2 of these white shelves, and it's been a while since I've been learning how to do this, so it's taken me a long time, but still doing it. Anyways, peace out. Thanks for watching if you did. Late.